Cove, your phone is ringing! It's not now. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Zaynah. Thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new, welcome to the wonderful world of me. Before we get started, make sure to click that subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell. And if you're new here, make sure you checked out my past videos. But let's get started. Obviously, I know that most people would have had like their eyebrows and stuff done by now, but I haven't done that. So today's video is called Quick and Easy Highlights and Contour Tutorial by Lovely Latasha. I have got so much stuff here because I didn't know what to get. I've got foundation for days. I've got concealers for days. I've got a loose setting powder, a loose sheer powder, and a banana powder. I've got all the powder. Call me Zaynah Escobar. Yeah, got all the powder. I don't really know how to apply foundation. Oh, that's a lot. I feel like that's way too much. Talk about cake face. Do you put foundation in your mouth? Maybe this is my shade. Oh, I'm literally covering my eyebrows. Whoops. Oh well. And getting it all over my let's go. Okay, now the foundation is applied. I look like a porcelain doll. Now let's continue with the steps. So she does like this. So I've watched loads of these videos, yeah, and I've seen people do triangles. Today we're gonna do her technique and do this. Blend. A bit close to the nose, she said. How far down your cheek are you supposed to take this? That doesn't look normal, does it? I just feel like, okay, cool. I'm highlighted, I believe. Now what? So she's blending away. Look, it's new. There's like no product with this. I feel like this could be darker. Get rid of that double chin. Oh, I didn't highlight my nose. Whoops. Oh, she uses her hands. Okay, if you say so. That isn't doing anything. Oh, I'm making it worse. Oh, we started off so good. Let's use banana powder. Smell like bananas, do you think? No. I feel like when I first heard about banana powder, right, everyone was like, I'm gonna bake. And now in all the videos I've watched, everyone's like, I ain't got time to bake. So we're just, I guess, gonna wipe it away. I feel like I'm turning into Casper the Ghost now. That powder just made me... Help! It's not coming off. It doesn't even come off. It just stays there. Oh, I just feel like I look a bit silly. This is it. This is it because really and truly, I don't know what I've done. I don't think it looks that bad. I think my skin looks flawless. But this is my attempt at highlighting and contouring. I feel like I'm highlighted. Obviously I've got the light which makes it even brighter. But I don't think it looks too bad. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad, you know? Oh gosh. My skin actually looks quite good. Listen, I feel like once I get good at this makeup thing, yeah, I'm not going to know how to be able to behave, so maybe I shouldn't. As always, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If anyone has any contour shades you think that would suit my skin colour as well, that would be helpful. Or just any products to help with contouring, because the contour part of this video kind of got lost in translation. Next week's video, I'm gonna go full face. That means eyebrows, eyelash, eyeshadow, highlight, contour, even lips. If you're enjoying my makeup journey series, be sure to check out more videos here. If you want to check out my vlogs, more to come, check over here. And don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you in next week's video. Peace. Mwah.